Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will compare the Volkswagen Jetta versus the Honda Civic. We'll dive into what makes each of these popular compact sedans a strong contender in its class. We'll look at their starting prices, available powertrains, and key features to help you decide which vehicle best fits your needs. Let's explore the details of these two impressive cars. When it comes to performance, the Jetta provides a spirited ride with its turbocharged engine, delivering 158 horsepower. The Civic offers more variety, with a standard 150 horsepower engine or a powerful 200 horsepower hybrid option. For fuel efficiency, the Jetta is impressive, but the Civic Hybrid truly shines, offering nearly 50 miles per gallon combined. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're enjoying this video and finding it helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. It really supports the channel. And on another note, if you're planning any trips in your new Jetta or Civic, make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your snacks fresh on the go. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Inside, both sedans prioritize comfort and connectivity. The Jetta comes standard with an 8-inch infotainment screen, and you can get wireless charging on certain trims. The Civic starts with a 7-inch touchscreen, but a larger 9-inch or even a 10.2-inch digital gauge display is available. Both cars ensure you stay connected with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. Safety is paramount, and both the Jetta and Civic deliver. The Jetta now includes Volkswagen's IQ Drive Suite as standard, offering advanced driver assistance. The Civic counters with its Honda sensing technology, which also provides a robust set of safety features like adaptive cruise control. These systems are designed to help protect you and your passengers, making every journey safer.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.